Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I'm just gonna briefly show you the progress I've made. This has been whole lot of wiring stuff, etc. So this is quite boring, so I didn't make much of videos or all of that. So here's a quick update on that. So here's the bunch of electrics. This is the AC units fans, and I have wired those. And actually, the whole car has been wired totally, and I I made everything through relays. So my AC fans and also cooling fans are through relays. I didn't want the high currents going anywhere through breaker switches or etc. And so I made everything through relays, and here are driving light relay setup and so on. And I wired the driving lights. I just have to pull these wires after the painter has painted this, so I can put those through the inner fenders and so on. And I'm just gonna briefly show you the inner setup I have in here. Everything is wired. This is for the Kauge cluster, and I'm briefly gonna show you where I mounted the PCM and fuse box for the LS engine and etc. And here's the OBD connector, and here's the universal fuse panel. It's on the co-driver's side, and I made the wiring going through the what's that called, console, center console, and everything goes through there to the back of the car. And also here the same thing, I made everything going through relays, so nothing high currents go through the ignition switch or the headlight switch, so they are all relayed and so on. And here's the and I'm gonna remove the package tray, and also gonna remove that board where I'm gonna bolt the air tank and compressor, so I can finish those when the car is in the paint shop, etc. And here are the rear light. They're just normal connectors on those. I have these LED lights going through back and rear, and just wondering how I'm gonna put earth wires through those, because these are grounded through this socket, and I am not sure is this something, or I have to put one earth wire in here and make my own ground for the rear lights, so I think I have to do that. Here's the old wire hassle. As you can see, I'm not gonna put those in. I just take the connectors I needed, and I left everything else in there, so they are quite crispy so I'm not gonna use any of these. Well, that's about it for today. I start cleaning the garage and gonna do the car so that it can be moved easily, and painter's gonna get it hopefully tomorrow. That's the plan, but I haven't heard from him since we last talked, so I'm not 100% sure is he coming tomorrow or not. But anyways, happy. I'm gonna be really happy if he gets the car. He promised me that it's gonna take like 3 weeks to paint it, so I'm gonna get it back quite soon after that. So really looking forward for that. But that's about it for now, and bye for now.